Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss applications of trigonometry, class 10, exercise 12.1, problem number 5. Exercise 12.1, question number 5. You want to erect a pole of height 10 meters with the support of 3 ropes. Each rope has to make an angle 30 degrees with the pole. What should be the length of the rope? Here one pole is length of 10 meters. So for example, this is the pole, you have to think. This is the pole length of 10 meters. So with 3 ropes we need to erect. So from here to here one rope, and here to here one rope, and here to this side is one more rope. So we are erecting. So this rope is each rope, this rope and this rope and this rope. 3 ropes. Each rope is making an angle is here. This angle here it is making. So that is 30 degrees. So total length of the rope we need to find. Total length of the rope means first this length we need to find. So here length we need to find. This side length also we need to find. Means one side, one length of the rope, one we are getting means we need to multiply with 3. We are getting total length of the rope. Now I am taking the figure. This is AB. AB is the height of the pole that is given by 10 meters. And one rope I am taking. This side also one rope I am taking. This side I am taking one more rope. So this is C, this is D, and this is E I am taking. So this rope is making an angle is 30 degrees. Here also 30 degrees. Here also we are getting 30 degrees. Now you can take AB equal height of the pole, that equal 10 meters. Height of the pole is given by 10 meters. Now BC, BD and BE both are same length of the ropes, that is. So BC equal, BD equal, BE equal, let we are taking, let the length of the rope equal x meters. Now here I am taking elevation angle. The angle made by rope with the pole equal 30 degrees. Now I am taking in triangle ABC. Just I am taking this triangle only I am taking. So from here to we are getting this length of each rope we are getting. So each rope we are getting ABC equal angle C equal 30 degrees. Angle C I took acute angle I took 30 degrees. So means AB is the opposite side and BC we took x meters. Here also it is x meters. So this is the x meters. Hypotenuse and opposite and hypotenuse. What is the trigonometric ratio? That is sine. Now I am taking sine. So sine 30 degrees equal opposite to angle 30 degrees by hypotenuse. So sine 30 degrees equal opposite. What is opposite here? AB is opposite, hypotenuse is BC. So AB by BC. So sine 30, what is the value of sine 30? That is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 equal AB value already we know, that is 10 by BC value is x. So now we can take the cross multiplication. 1 into x equal 2 into 20, sorry, 2 into 10 we are getting. So x equal 1 into x we are getting. 2 into 10 is 20. So x value we got it. So length of each rope, one rope we got it. Length of the one rope we got it. How many ropes are there here? 3 ropes. So the total length of the rope equal 3 into x. That equals 3 into x value is 20. That equals 60 meters. So the total length of the rope value we got it here 60 meters. We have seen how to solve the problem by using applications of trigonometric ratios. In the next video, we will see same type of problem by using applications of trigonometric ratio. Do comment if you have any clarification in this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.